Hey everyone, so I'm reattempting pita chips this week. A few weeks ago I failed pretty miserably, so I'm gonna try to redeem myself. Okay, so we're gonna start with 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Then add in 2 teaspoons of salt. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 7 grams of yeast. Mix that all up. Then you're going to take 1 cup of warm water with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and pour it in. And just mix it all up until a cohesive dough forms. Okay, so you're just gonna knead this for probably another 10 minutes until the dough becomes tacky. Next, you're gonna add some olive oil to a bowl like that and add your dough to the bowl. Add in a little more olive oil to the top. Cover this up and then let it proof for about an hour. So your dough should have doubled in size. You're just gonna punch it down. Take it out. Then cut into 8 even pieces. And then you're just gonna roll everything into balls. Alright, so you're gonna cover your dough balls for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can start rolling out your dough into circles. When you're done rolling out your dough, place them on a silpat lined baking tray and then just cover and proof for another 20 minutes. Next, you're gonna add in some olive oil to the bowl.